Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Sentra radio. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. For safety, always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, carefully use your trim removal tool to pry off the dashboard trim panels that surround the radio unit. This step requires a gentle touch to avoid any damage. Once the trim panels are off, you will see the screws holding the radio in place. Typically, there are 4 screws that need to be removed. After unscrewing them, gently pull the entire radio unit forward. This action will expose the various wiring harnesses and antenna cables connected to the back. Take care not to pull too hard, as wires are still attached. Now it's time to disconnect all the wiring. Each electrical connector usually has a small tab you need to press to release it. Gently pull each connector and the antenna cable away from the radio. Double-check that all wires are free before attempting to fully remove the unit. Once everything is disconnected, you can carefully take the old radio out of the dashboard. To install your new radio, simply reverse the steps. Connect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable to the new unit, ensuring they click securely into place. Slide the new radio into the dashboard opening, secure it with the screws, and then reattach all the trim panels. Don't forget to reconnect your car battery. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, test your new radio to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.